Hello, folks, and welcome to Nile Byte Academy. First of all, I want to congratulate you on choosing to learn Microsoft Word in our beautiful platform. You have absolutely made the right choice. Microsoft Word is one of the most widely used tools in today's world, and learning it can unlock thousands ways for survival to you. So, whether you are a student writing assignment, a teacher preparing notes, a business owner creating proposals, or just someone who wants to write beautiful letters or design a resume, Microsoft Word has got you covered. In real life, you will use Microsoft Word to write and format documents professionally, create CV and cover letters, draft business reports and letters, design flyers, certificates and invitation, prepare a school or church program, and so much more. So stay consistent, practice as we go along, and by the end of this course, you will use Microsoft Word as a pro. Let's get started.
All right. So the first thing you do, you click on the window, or you come here manually and you click search. You write word, okay? And after that, you click on it. So once you click on it, it will bring you to this window. So let's have a quick tour on what is going on here in this window. So here you have a blank document, and what you are seeing here, they are called templates, okay? A template is work of someone, work done by someone, and you can really debug it and you make it your own. So that is what is so-called template. If you have a work related, maybe to snapshot calendar or CV, you don't want to make everything from scratch, you can come and click to on one of those templates and you can debug it. So here you can click more templates. Once you click more templates, here you will have a lot of templates. So here these are the suggested search. So here you can have more templates on business. So if you want to have anything related to business, you just go to that. You can see any template that can suit you and you use it. Okay, we are not going to use it now. So you can even search on cards or flyers, So let's go to flyers. Okay. Yeah. So that is basically the work of templates. So it is all about that. So we are back to this part. So here we have recent. So recent, these are the documents that you have recently visited. Okay. So you can just get them here. And pinned, these are documents that you have pinned, documents that you think they are important. And how do we pin documents? You just come here. Once you see this pin icon, you click it, pin. So, and it will always place the pin item on top. So let's come and click here, and it is here, test www. So it is here. So let's try, like for this motivation later. So let's pin it. It will just go up by default. So have you seen it? It is here. So, and it is also in the pin document. Make sure that if you are working on important document, make sure that in them so that you can get back to them quickly. So that is it. So here, this new here, it allows you to create uh, a new document or a blank document. It is served as this. So you can just come here. So here in open here, if you want to open maybe a document, whether that document is on your OneDrive account, on PC, you want to add it from the website, browse, or you want to browse within your computer, so you can just come here. So these are the folders, the like of desktop, download documents. So that this is basically your folders, the one which are in the computer. So that is that. So in account, this is whereby you find all your information the information about the Microsoft products, all the informations you can just uh, get them here. So here, this is product activated. But if this product activated is not showing at your end, it means that your Microsoft product is not activated and you will not access them. So make sure that you have this product key activated. Okay. So this is where the Microsoft update itself. So and about what, if you want to learn more, you can just click it. Click here. If you want to learn more, you can just click here. So now let's come to this office background. So dudes with circle. So let's just see what is happening in the right hand side. Okay. So you see, so you change this here will change. Okay. You change it to circle. So this by default it comes with doodles, this doodles, whatever doodle circle. So by default, it always come with that. So here we come to the office theme. Office theme, if you want to change your office background, maybe to dark gray, you can just do it. Look beautiful. So if you want to change it to black, so it is good with night works. So you want to change it to white, of which I am not fan of that. I always go with colorful, and so do you. So that is that. So now let's go to feedback. So this feedback page here, you give Microsoft Office feedback about words, okay? Whether you like it, if you like something about it, you can click and you send maybe some review or yeah. So that is feedback. So we are not giving any feedback, please. So let's go back. So if you don't like any something about it, you can. But if you also have a suggestion, you can send them a suggestion. You know, all these Microsoft products, they came as a result of suggestion or feedback from the users. So if you have a brilliant idea that you want to suggest to the Microsoft, you can just click send suggestions and you type in your suggestion and you send it to them. Okay, so that is that. Lastly, let's move to the option part here. In option part, you have the setting, the general setting, the display setting, proofing setting, save setting, language setting, ease of access setting, advanced custom ribbon, quick access toolbar, adds in trust center. So basically, this is whereby you can set a lot of things, a lot of functionalities, you can just set them here. So this setting part here, it is really crucial. It is really crucial, this option part here. So up to this point, this is the general interface of Microsoft Word. So from tomorrow onwards, we will learn more on how we can utilize whatever tools that we have here in Microsoft Word. So have a blessed night. God bless you. And don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. God be with you. Bye.